Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Polk County in central Iowa, northern Marion County in south-central Iowa, western Jasper County in central Iowa, eastern Warren County in south-central Iowa, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Ridge Mall to 4 miles west of Hartford to near Milo, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Des Moines, West Des Moines, Newton, Indianola, Algena, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Carlisle, Bondurant, Mitchellville, Colfax, Monroe, Pleasantville, Prairie City, South Ridge Mall, Adventureland Amusement Park, Iowa Speedway, Prairie Meadows, Iowa State Fairgrounds, and Des Moines International Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 between mile markers 140 and 169. Interstate 235 between mile markers 9 and 12. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central and south-central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marion, Polk, and Warren.